wanna dance by water beneath the Mexican sky, drink some margaritas by swinging blue lights, listen to the mariachi play at midnight. Are you with me? Are you with me? To the mariachi play at midnight. Are you with me? Are you with me? I wanna dance by water beneath the Mexican sky, drink some margaritas by swinging blue lights, listen to the mariachi play at midnight. Are you with me? Are you with me? By water beneath the Mexican sky, drink some margaritas by swinging blue lights, listen to the mariachi play at midnight. Are you with me? Are you with me? I wanna dance by water beneath the Mexican sky, drink some margaritas by swinging blue lights, listen to the mariachi play at midnight. Are you with me? Are you with me?
Hi, today I'm going to show you a dance called AB, Are You With Me, which I've choreographed. It's absolute beginner's dance. It's 32 counts and 2 walls. It goes as follows. I'm going to turn around so you can see me from the back, so you can follow me. You start with your right foot and you put it a bit in the front diagonally to the right corner. You take your left foot and put it next to the other one a bit diagonally out to the left corner. Then you take your right foot back and you put the other one together. Then you take a vine, a grapevine, out to your right side, so it's out, behind, out, and you touch. Then you do a vine to the left with a quarter turn. So out, behind, turn, and touch. Then you're going to step your right foot diagonally to the right corner, a bit in front, like this. Then you take your left foot and you touch next to your right. Then you go, put your left foot back from the same position it was, and you touch with your right foot. Then we're going to do another vine to the right. So out, behind, out, and touch. And again, another vine with a quarter turn. Out, behind, turn, touch. And as before, you're going to take your right foot, step it into the front and touch. Step your left foot behind and touch your right foot next to. But now we're going to continue and you put your right foot behind and touch your left foot next to. Then to the front with your left foot and touch your right foot next to. That's dance, and you start again, then with out, out, in. I'm going to go through the dance again a bit quickly this time. So we start with the right foot. So it's out, out, in, and vine, and touch, and vine, and turn, and front, touch, back, touch, and vine, and touch, vine, and turn, touch, front, touch, back, Alternatively, on some of the vines, you can exchange the vines for some rolling vines, like this. So you can go out, out, in, and do a vine, and touch, and here you do a rolling vine, if you like. Rolling vine, and you touch, front, touch, back, touch, and vine, and touch, and rolling vine, and front, touch, back, touch, front, touch. Hei, da skal vi gå gjennom A.B. Are You With Me? En dans som jeg har koreografert. Det er en absolutt nybegynnerdans, 32 takter, 2 vegger. Den går som følger. Vi starter med vår høyre fot. Vi stepper ut foran, litt diagonalt. Vi tar venstre foten ut ved siden av, stepper ved siden av. Så setter vi høyre foten inn og venstre foten inntil. Så skal vi ta en vine til høyre. Så det er ut, bak, ut, touch. Så skal vi ta en vine igjen mot venstre med en kort snu på slutten. Så det er ut, bak, snu, touch. Så skal vi steppe høyre foten litt diagonalt frem og touche venstre foten inntil. Så setter vi venstre foten bak og setter høyre foten inntil. Med en touch. Så skal vi ta en vine til. Så det er ut, bak, ut, touch. Så tar vi en vine til med en kort snu. Så ut, bak, snu, touch. Så skal vi igjen gjøre som vi gjorde i stad. Vi skal sette høyre foten frem, litt diagonalt. Touche venstre foten inntil. Sette venstre foten ned. Touche høyre inntil. Så fortsetter vi. Setter høyre foten bak. Litt diagonalt. Og toucher venstre inntil. Og setter venstre foten frem. Og toucher høyre foten inntil. Så er vi klare til å begynne igjen. Ut, ut, inn, inn og vei. Nå skal jeg gå gjennom det litt raskere. Start med høyre. Det er ut, ut, inn og vei. Og touch og vei og snu. Og frem, touch, tilbake, touch og vei. Touch, vei og snu. Og frem touch, bak touch og frem touch. Da skal jeg ta det med telling. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Alternativt på denne dansen så er det mulig å bytte ut noen av vinene med rolling vine. Som for eksempel sånn som dette. Man går ut, ut, inn og vine. Og touch. Og rolling vine. Touch, frem, touch, tilbake. Touch og vine. Og rolling vine. Og frem touch, tilbake touch og frem touch. Alternativt kan du bytte ut alle. Det blir opp til deg.